Where to find the Object Eraser tool on photos found within your Samsung Gallery app, and this is how you would go about using this feature after the One UI 7.0 update for Samsung phones. So let's just say you have a photo in your Gallery app, and of course you want to go to your Samsung Gallery app, which is this one here. And nothing to hide here, as there is really just nothing to hide here. You go ahead and look for the photo that you want to do this for. So for example, I have this here, and I want to remove something from this photo that I just don't like. So while here in this view mode, you'll see these icons down here to the bottom. Tap on the pencil one, this one here. And when you do this, this is going to happen. You'll see these other set of options and go to the 4 rounded squares. In some cases, some cases it's going to be rounded squares and sometimes it's going to be like circles, but it's these 4 right here. So when you tap on that, these other options are going to show up. And Object Eraser may either be the first one or the last one to the end. So look for it. And when you see it, you'll tap on it. Now, you'll notice this is going to happen and it's going to just automatically remove a part of the photo without you doing anything. So just undo it by tapping on these arrows here to the left. So go ahead and undo that and you'll have your original photo now. So let's just say, for example, I want to remove the word that says Casio. And you know me already, I got so much awesome Casio watches. Not showing off, but I do love my Casio. So you're just going to simply just kind of like give it a little circle highlight, and the AI itself is going to like give it an outline if it's a text like this here, and that's gonna happen now. And you're gonna go ahead and tap on erase. And you're gonna see now that it's gone. So depending on how good you do it, it's how clear it's gonna be. There's gonna be like this sort of little white mark there, but you can also have some adjustments with the filter tool to even things up. And that's that, my friends. And of course, if you made a mistake, erasing the wrong part, undo is what you gotta do, and undo again, like and sub.